and I'm going to just repeat what I hear here, because I think to me, the big takeaways are, you can basically sit down with any business owner and delve into their business, even do a basic scrape this website and give me some information, and let's start building campaigns right now.
Yes.
Get the first draft made and just start cranking from there. So I'm going to go through my process that I like to go through, and I'll demonstrate something that basically saved a company $150,000 and made them, I got to do the math in my head, 16 times 16, just a second here.
Big numbers.
Yeah. Yes. Well, it's worth mentioning. Almost $1 million, $960,000 in 2 weeks. All right, and it was also we also found, while we did this, a massive hole in their marketing process that I believe was costing them millions of dollars per year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.